Hey guys, it's Ryan Butler with Keller Williams, and today we're going to talk about 4 improvements that's guaranteed to get your money back. Awesome. So today we're going to talk about these 4 improvements that's guaranteed to get your money back, and I pretty much use doors, floors, kitchens, and baths. So those are the big 4 to me. As far as doors, your front door, your interior doors, and your garage doors are the doors that you can replace to add value back to your home and get more money out of it than you put in. So a front door usually costs somewhere between $700 and $5,000. If you were to pay $1,000 for a front door, you should be able to get $1,250 back on your investment. The interior doors, you also want to look nice. They're usually $100 to $200. You can get those from Lowe's and Home Depot for both the purchase and the installation. The last thing is the garage door. So if you have an old garage door that's maybe wooden, you could replace it with a metal one, or if you have one that is not electric, you could replace it with an electronic version of the garage door. That's all going to add both value and curb appeal. The second one is the floors. So sometimes you have a floor that's, it's particularly in grandma homes or homes that are a little bit older, they'll actually have carpet that's maybe a little beat up, maybe pink, maybe green, okay? But when you pull that carpet up, there's beautiful wood flooring underneath. So that's a good way to actually not even spend any money and increase your home value right away, because even though you might tell someone, we all know that showing is better than telling. So you can show that the wood is beneath the flooring. Otherwise, you can actually make that replacement as well with both wood and laminate floors. Kitchens, that's a big one. We know that kitchens always add value. So updating a kitchen with to be a more modern kitchen is going to bring 2 to 3 times the value of what you put in there. So kitchen's always an easy one to do. Bathrooms. A half bath usually starts around $3,000 for an update, and for a full bath you can go as high as you want, but usually somewhere around $10,000 to $15,000, and that's actually going to increase your value as well. So to recap, the 4 things we talked about were doors, floors, kitchens, and baths, and those are additions that you can make before you sell your home that will add more value. Thanks for watching. Check me out next time.